Please don't throw up on me. Throw up in those bushes over there.
Hurts really bad.
Carly! Carly, come watch this! Watch this, hurry!
I can't stop burping!
Carly, come here! Watch.
That's gross. You guys are gonna puke.
I know. Don't say that word, Carly. I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
Really barely drink any.
I know, but that stuff really packs it to you.
Oh. That's more than the burp this time. I like feel like getting smaller as the burp. Because it's warm.
Carly, you want to take this out of me or throw up?
No?
No, seriously.
Man. I can't stop. Ah. It's coming up. Oh.